simplify complex nested if statement. The switch function is a logical function that allows you to evaluate a single expression and return a corresponding value based on a set of specified conditions. It's much easier to use the nested if statement and can save you a lot of time and effort. The syntax for the switch function is very simple. Like when I click the formula bar and if I say switch, then when I use the first bracket, now you can see the expression, then value, then result. So then default two, then you can see the more value here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you with the example. It is the example in here. It's about the student name and it's called, I'm using the access to this function, student names and student code. I use the student code in here. The like student code, one for student types in internet, then two for domestic student type. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this student type. So let me start with the equal. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm use the switch, then use the first bracket, then use this one student code and comma. Then what I'm gonna do, one for international, then two for domestic. So I can say domestic, then close, and or I can say the error like this and close with the first bracket and hit on the enter. Now you can see that Kathy is the international student. Then what I'm gonna do, let me choose this one for 5 and let me so here you can see the Catrice International and 2 for we say the student code, 2 for domestic. Now somewhere is the domestic and the dev, if I say is if nothing is there or the different number, so it will come up the Europe. Now it's come up the Europe. The same is the first one is come the international 2 is for domestic and 4 because the different word for the reason it comes with the error. Okay, let me do with another example. Let's go to show this one, and here I already made it and just I'm going to show you how it's work with the exercise function. Like here is the employee name and this is the project ID, like project ID 1 2 and project name like 1 for restaurant and the second one 2 for phonics. So what I have done like here, I already made it like here. So if you can see in there and see 1 for restaurant and 2 for phonics, and then if nothing is there, what I will write, I write just here the question is mark the one, and when I hit on the, let me see, it's okay here for the another, and you can see that 2 for 1 2 and this one question mark, it doesn't have the project ID. So it's different ID, it's 4, so it's come up with the question mark. Like if I use this one for 5, let me see, it's come up the question same as if I change this one. Like if I use the 1, so it comes up the strong, and if I use this one for 2, now it's come up the 2. Okay, so this is the simple way. Just follow the step and use this formula for the switch. Now we have the column that shows the project ID, and this is just one of example how to switch function can be used. It's a powerful tool that can help you simplify complex nested if statements and make your spreadsheet more efficient. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.